Hey guys, this is Amit and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Samsung Galaxy M52 5G versus Redmi Note 10 Pro, and we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips, and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, M52 have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel of macro camera. Whereas 10 Pro comes with quad camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of macro camera, and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it have quad camera setup, which have 2 megapixel of depth sensor, which can create better depth of field in the pictures. And about the front camera of the devices, M52 have 32 megapixel of wide camera, whereas 10 Pro have 16 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is M52 because it have 32 megapixel of selfie camera, which can take high resolution of selfie. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. M52 have LED flash, HDR and panorama, whereas 10 Pro have LED flash, HDR and panorama. So it's a tie. And about the video recording options in the devices, M52 can shoot 4K video max at 30fps and Full HD video max at 30fps, whereas 10 Pro can record 4K video max at 30fps, Full HD video max at 120fps. So the winner here is Note 10 Pro because it can record Full HD video max at 120fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. M52 have Android 11 support. On the other side, 10 Pro also have Android 11 support, so it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, M52 have one UI whereas 10 Pro comes with MIUI. So it's a tie because both of the user interface have different UI. So it's up to you which UI you like it or not, it's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. M52 is powered by Snapdragon 778G based on 6nm processor, whereas 10 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 732G based on 8nm processor. So the winner here is M52 because it can give you faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, M52 is packed with Adreno 642L, whereas 10 Pro is packed with Adreno 618. So the winner here is M52 because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. M52 can clock at 2.4 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas 10 Pro can clock at 2.3 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset. So the winner here is M52 because it has faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in their devices, M52 have 6GB of RAM variant, whereas 10 Pro have 6 and 8GB of RAM variants. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it have bigger capacity of RAM options. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. M52 comes with 128GB of storage, whereas 10 Pro have 64 and 128GB of storage. But the winner here is 10 Pro because it have faster read and write speed. And about the external storage of the devices, M52 have shared card slot, whereas 10 Pro have dedicated card slots, so the winner here is 10 Pro. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. M52 have 6.7 inches of display, whereas 10 Pro also have 6.67 inches of display. So it's a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, M52 have 86.4%, whereas 10 Pro have 84.5%. So the winner here is M52 because it has bigger ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. M52 comes with Full HD Plus display. On the other side, 10 Pro also have Full HD Plus display. So it's a tie. And about the display type of the devices, M52 have Super AMOLED display having 120Hz of refresh rate, whereas 10 Pro have Super AMOLED display having 120Hz of refresh rate with SJ10 support. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it have SJ10 Plus support, which can produce vivid colors and darker black. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. M52 have 7.4mm of thickness, whereas 10 Pro have 8.1mm of thickness. So the winner here is M52 because it have slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, M52 comes with 173 grams of weight, whereas 10 Pro have 192 grams of weight. So the winner here is M52 because it have lighter body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, M52 have Gorilla Glass 3, whereas 10 Pro have Gorilla Glass 5. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it have newer generation of glass. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. M52 have plastic back with plastic frame, whereas 10 Pro have plastic back with plastic frame. So it's a tie because both of the devices have solid build quality. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices. Let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. M52 have side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the other side, 10 Pro also have side mounted fingerprint scanner, so it's a tie. And about the sensors in the devices, M52 have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas 10 Pro also have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, so it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. M52 have 5000 mAh battery capacity, whereas 10 Pro also have 5020 mAh battery capacity. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. M52 have 25 watts of fast charging, whereas 10 Pro have 33 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it has faster charging speed. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. M52 comes with normal speakers, whereas 10 Pro have stereo speakers. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it can produce massive sound. And about the headphone jack of the devices, M52 have 3.5mm of headphone jack, whereas 10 Pro also have, so it's a tie. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, but M52 have 6th generation of Wi-Fi, which provides better range. So the winner here is M52. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, M52 have 5th generation of Bluetooth, whereas 10 Pro have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So the winner here is 10 Pro because it have newer generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. M52 have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and QGIS, whereas 10 Pro have AGPS, GLONASS and BDS. So the winner here is M52 because it have Galileo and QGIS chip. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, M52 comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector with ODG support, whereas 10 Pro also have 2nd gen of Type-C connector. So the winner here is M52. Moving to the price of the devices in the international market, M52 is around $400 whereas 10 Pro is available from $310 In the Indian market, M52 have starting range from 22,000 rupees, whereas 10 Pro is available from 18,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera, the winner here is 10 Pro. In the performance, the winner here is M52. In the display, the winner here is 10 Pro. In the body segment, the winner here is M52. In the features of the device, it's a tie. In the communication chips, it's a tie. And about the prices, the winner here is M52. So the decision is totally yours. Which device you like the most so far? Let me know in the comment below. What do you think, which device is better for you? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what's your thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.